Good afternoon, everyone. And I'm talking to Marco Cuneta.
Yes, sir.
I know you're all excited to hear from the man, and he's going to be sharing quite an amazing story and journey. First and foremost, Pao, how are you? Marco, how are you, man?
Good. May hangover pa rin ako dun sa event nung Saturday. Ano na ba ngayon? Thursday? Oh, 5 araw na. Medyo
Ibang
may
araw na.
hangover pa rin ako. Oh.
Nung, the that was an epic show, and in my honest
Yeah.
opinion, it was Wolfgang's best.
Wow, yeah,
And
oo. Oo.
marami rin nagsasabi it was the best. Your thoughts about being a part of such an epic evening?
Hindi ko rin ano eh. I mean, um, how can I explain it? Uh, Ako sa akin, I did, my best. Sabi ko nga kay Labasti, salamat sa ano nyo sa akin, pagsama nyo sa akin dito sa event na to. Um, uh, I promise I won't let you down and I'll do my best. Yung sabi ko sa minessage ko siya nung like 2 days before. Tapos, yun nga, sabi niya, isipin mo lang, parang 70s bistro lang yan. Huwag
Uh,
kang kabahan. Kasi alam nila na kabadong-kabado ako eh. Isipin mo lang, parang 70s bistro, pero mas mabango yung CR. So, yun talagang wala. I'm just grateful and wala, yun yung masasabi ko. Truly, talagang pasasalamat ko sa kanila is hindi ko ma-explain. Sobrang thankful ako sa kanila. Sa lahat ng part ng show din. As also sa you, Rick. Super
oh,
grateful.
yeah, man. Tsaka Ovation, as Basti said, Ovation Productions made it happen. Well, di ba?
Yeah. Oo, ovation. Ovation din. Grabe. Thank you. Thank you rin sa kanila. Grabe.
I first met you when Basti launched his solo album at 19 East.
Oh, yeah.
And
Oo.
it wasn't just performing his solo songs, but also Wolfgang songs.
Yeah.
The familiarity with the material, did that really help you?
Yes, of course. So, actually, tingin ko ngayong advantage ko is I've been listening to Wolfgang and playing their songs nung high school. Since it just came out nung 95,
Mm.
I mean, sobrang mga, ano ko yan eh, mga influence ko talaga yung mga bandang yan. Razorback, Wolfgang,
Mm.
POT, yung mga yan. Yung, kumbaga sa akin, yung Holy Trinity, yung tatlong yun, nung mga panahon na yun eh. Yun talaga yung pinapakinggan ko. So, high school pa lang, familiar na ako sa mga kanta nila. So, hindi na ganun kahirap aralin yung mga songs at this, ngayong mga panahon na to.
But let me take you back. You mentioned those three bands, no? And sa mga hindi masyadong in-depth sa eksena natin, ano yung mga bandang tinugtugan mo na dati? Para klaro tayo.
Um, As in dati,
Yes.
ano eh, iba-iba eh. Sino ba? Yung isa sa mga bands na look up to din ako tapos natugtugan ko, yung, I don't know if you remember Eternal Now.
Yeah.
Medyo progressive metal siya. So, marami akong natutunan din na sa kanila. Yung ano din, kay Death by Stereo,
Oh,
nag-session din ako sa kanila.
oh, wow.
Maybe a few times lang. Pero dati pa yun. So, leaning more on metal side yung mga natugtugan ko. Pero, um, kung makwento ko lang din, nag-start din ako ng, ayun, parang, ano ba to? Pumwesto-pwesto din ako eh, dati. So, buhay banda talaga. Yung talagang naghahanap kami ng mga gigs 5 days a week. Dapat mapuno mo yung 5 days a week na yun. Tapos, parang yun yung trabaho mo. Siyempre, aside from teaching, sa gabi nagbabanda ako. Tapos, sino pa ba yung mga tutugtugan ko? Um, May mga The Voice artist din.
Oh, cool.
Session ako sa kanila. Actually, ngayon, nagsisession ako for tawag ng tanghalan singer, si
Mm.
Yumi Kapile.
Okay.
Ayun. Tapos yung sa The Voice, ayan, sila Junji Arias.
Uy, kilala ko yun.
Sa Velcro, ayan.
Oh, oh.
Si Nino Alejandro,
Okay.
pamangkin ni Haji Alejandro.
Yes,
Tapos
yes.
si Rita Martinez, yan, yung mga The Voice artist. Kasi nag-ABS din ako dati kung naaalala mo.
Pamilya pala tayo,
Oo
pare.
nga. I worked in ABS sa iPost sa recording sa
Oh,
studio.
Nice.
So for a few years dun din ako.
So
So
well-rounded ka, pare.
parang maraming ano yung genre ang tumatakbo sa utak ko. Pero I'm much more on, kumbaga talagang mas rock yung gusto ko na tinutugtog. Pero yun nga, napagdaanan ko naman halos lahat ng mga genre. Yun.
Before we dive back to Wolfgang and everything, no,
Mm.
you talked about yung mga genre. Ano yung mga paborito mong banda, if ever?
Ah, well, yeah, isipin ko. Siyempre, yung Holy Trinity nga,
Ah,
Razorback, Wolfgang, and POT.
oh,
Yan. Tapos, mga foreign, ayan, marami ah, yung, sorry medyo na, ano ako. Siyempre, unang-una, yung Pantera,
yeah.
Metallica,
Hmm.
Megadeth, yung mga yan.
So talagang
And
metal talaga, metalhead ka.
Oo, tapos ano, pinanood nga namin yung ano, yung Megadeth dito.
Oh,
2 beses sila pumunta. Isa
oh,
sa World Trade, tapos isa sa Amoranto. Magandang memories din yun. Tapos isa pa na talagang masasabi ko na isang greatly nag-influence sa akin, lalo na when it comes to yung mga time signatures, mga ganun, mga iba-ibang stuff na ganyan, mga odd time and stuff, yung Dream Theater.
yeah.
Actually,
Did you
pinanood
watch
ko yung,
them?
yes, of course, twice,
Oo.
yung parehong show
Oo.
nila dito. Yun,
Sayang nga.
so,
Sayang nga, hindi sila
na-cancel yung
dadaan.
isa eh.
Oo nga eh.
Wala ba sila this year? Parang
Meron, pare, the
may
sad
Asian
thing,
tour sila eh.
nag-Asians lang, sa Pilipinas lang yata hindi dadaan.
Kaya nga, baka madagdagan naman ng
Sana.
ovation.
Oo. Paringgan mo ovation, pare.
Oo. Abangan ko yan, sana.
Oo, di ba? So,
Super idol ko yung mga yun eh.
grabe, pare, talaga.
Mm.
Oh, been fortunate enough to interview them twice as a band. And,
Wow. Sama naman ako next time.
oo ba? Sige, pag dumaan nandito, pare, sigurado na yun. And I
Yes.
got to see them before Portnoy left a long
Oh
time ago.
yeah. Mm-mm.
And then of course, di ba, later on, napanood ko ulit. And what a thrill, di ba? Pero
Balik na si
alam mo
Mike.
maganda sa prog, the discipline and technical proficiency, di ba? Very
Yes.
particular sila.
That is what I'm aiming for every time.
Di ba?
Discipline.
Oo,
Oo.
iba yung disiplina.
Oo.
Okay. You came into this setup, then napasama ko dun sa recording ng Wolfgang 30.
Yes,
Hindi
oo.
naman natapos ni Mon lahat ng mga piyesa niya, di ba?
Mm-mm,
Dahil
mm-mm.
nawala nga yung kaibigan natin.
Yes, yes.
Your thoughts about if there is one record that's gonna go down as one of the top 10 all time, that's gotta be one of them. And what was it like working on Wolfgang 30?
Uh, it was medyo mabilis yung mga pangyayari nung time na yun eh. Kasi sinabi nila, oh, Marco, can you record these songs? Ganyan, sige. Fortunately, hindi ko na kailangan mag-rent ng studio. Meron kasi ako sa bahay.
Mm.
Meron akong home studio or classroom. Ito kung saan tayo nag-uusap.
Mm.
Um, so, doon na ako nag-record. So, nagawan ko ng paraan. Tsaka, hindi pa rin ako mapaniwala. Totoo lang, Ricky. Hindi pa rin ako mapaniwala. Nakikita ko, parang ako ba talaga yung nag-record dyan? Totoo lang Parang pag pinapakinggan ko siya, shit, ako ba yun?
Dude, the
Hindi ako
proof is there.
makapaniwala.
Your name's in the credits, man.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I know, I know. Yun yung nag-aano sa akin na, oh, nag-record ka nga dyan. Nagsasabi sa akin na totoo pala to.
Oh, naalala mo, nagpapirma pa ako sa iyo.
Oo nga.
Nagulat sila. Kasi I resisted posting it, the one with your
Mm-mm.
signature,
Mm-mm.
your autograph, and I only did after February 7.
Yes, yes. Mm-mm.
But thank you, man, for signing it, diba?
Yes, thank you rin. You're welcome. Yun. Overall, it's still very surreal and unbelievable para sa akin yung mga pangyayari ngayon in the past few, maybe this year or nung last year, diba? Simula nung solo album ni Basti, still parang hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa ko para ma-deserve ko itong mga bagay na to.
Pare, sabi nga ni Jason Caballa ng Pedicab, he killed it. He was referring to you, pare. He killed it. So,
Thank you.
from a musician who's technically proficient like Jason Caballa, pare,
Mm.
that's high praise, man.
Thank you, thank you.
Oo. Now, what songs did you enjoy? They're all a treat to play, but what were your favorites to perform live in February?
Um, Well, I'll be honest, hindi naman cheesy pero nagustuhan ko silang tugtugin lahat eh. From the
No?
beginning pa lang eh. Kasi nung malalaman, parang kumbaga sa akin, malalaman ko pag maganda yung set sa unang kanta eh. So, pag maganda yung sound niya and everything, medyo bumabalik na yung confidence ko pag ganun. So, yun nga, yung natutulog kong mundo, yung opening note niya,
Grabe yun,
talagang
pare.
sabi ko, grabe na yung sound ah. Sige, pwede na to. So, ayun. Sabi ko, bahala na. Naumpisa ko na, hindi na ako makakaalis dito sa stage eh. So, kung magkamali man, edi, magkamali. Pero, hindi naman ako siguro nagkamali ng madami. Tsaka kung nagkamali man ako, hindi ko pinahalata sa inyo.
Actually, pare, nung pagtapos ng show, naalala mo, nung ko yung setlist, lumapit ka sa akin, pare, ang dami kong sabit. Sabi ko, talaga, hindi ko masyado naman napansin. Sa totoo lang, Marco, ha, without pandering or trying to kiss your ass or anything,
Mm-mm.
the bass was crisp.
Yes.
It was, well, maganda sound system. Hanip yung sound system.
Mm-mm.
Pero
Ganda
ang
talaga.
linis kahit walang sapawan, whether it's Manuel, Wolf, or you,
Oo nga, napansin ko
sapawan
din yun eh.
ganda eh. Pero ang
Oo.
linis ng bass lines mo.
Mm-mm. Thank
And
you.
ano eh, crisp,
Mm-mm.
and it was just moving everything along. Ganda
Yeah,
pa.
yeah. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, favorite moments during the reunion concert. Ano yung, pag naisip mo, tumataas balahibo mo ngayon? I know it's
Ah,
everything, but
well, saan ba to? Yung pagka nag-ano kami, pagka yung in unison ng mga lines ni Manuel tsaka ako,
mm,
dun sa sorry, sa Bought and Sold, yung mga
ah,
yan,
ah,
may mga lines dun na mahirap eh, na talagang struggle sa akin aralin nung inaaral ko siya. Well, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin siya makuha kasi mabilis tsaka madaming notes. Pag nagsabay na kami, tapos nag-lock in, parang, uy, grabe to ah. Ganito pala yun. Kasi sa rehearsal, di mo naman mararamdaman na pag madaming tao eh. Tapos nararamdaman mo yung energy ng mga tao. So, iba yung feeling. I mean, it's first time ko makatapak sa ganung kalaking stage. Eh. Kaya, grabe yung reception din ng tao. Yung parang nararamdaman mo yung gusto nila yung naririnig nila tsaka nag enjoy sila.
when you walked out on stage, you threw your fist up in the air. Describe the feeling. How electric was it for you?
Well, ano eh, pwede ba ako magmura? Hindi, joke lang.
Oo, sige lang, pare.
Hindi, parang sa isip ko, shit, kaya ginanon ko, parang tinatanggal ko din yung kaba kasi kinakabahan talaga ako. If you've noticed, nervyoso kasi ako tao eh. So, throughout that week, parang naiisip ko na shit, palapit na ng palapit. Tapos inisip ko, sana hindi ako magkamali. Sana maalala ko lahat ng parts. O baka ma-over-practice naman ako. Tapos magkamali ako. Parang gano'n lahat naisip ko mga worst case.
Mm.
So, pero nung parang, shit, ito na yun. Wala nang balikan.
Well, hindi naman halata eh. Hindi siya halata
Okay.
yung nervousness. And as you told me before, nung sound check, sabi mo nga sa akin, pero pag nagsimula na yan, okay na. Tuloy-tuloy na
Mm,
to. Di ba? Do,
sorry.
do you know why I asked for the set list? Do you know why?
And hindi, maybe because of the notes that I
Well,
had.
no, it was kasi pare, I've seen the band even before the first album came out sa Atrium,
Mm,
napapanood ko. Kasi on the way home yan, mag-e-FX ako sa ABB,
mm,
nadadaan ko yung Atrium, naririnig ko sila.
oo.
But um, one, I knew it was gonna be a historic evening, and number two, the reason why I've been trying to interview you was to see it from your perspective because I know
Mm,
Wolf and I know
mm,
Basti.
mm,
Iba yung galing sa'yo eh.
mm, mm.
And, I was very proud of you, pare.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very proud. And that's why I wanted it. Maliban dun sa mga kodigo na linagay mo. That would
Love letter.
extra special, pare. Yeah, di ba? Uh, ano pa? Ano pang enjoyable moments for you na memorable na sa
Well, yun nga, yung the way, yung inintroduce ako ni Basti, parang naiyak ako doon. Kasi ano, ang ganda ng pagka-introduce niya sa akin. Parang natuwa talaga. Although he does it every time naman pag may mga gigs kami.
Mm,
Iba yung ano eh. Parang may pause pa kasi siya eh.
mm.
So parang ganun. Parang hindi spill eh. Parang ito, si Marco, ganyan. Pero syempre, di ba nga, parang binati ko pa yung wife ko kasi birthday din ng wife ko.
Oo nga pala,
Oh.
oo.
So, ayun. So, one memorable yun para sa akin tsaka sa wife ko dahil nga na on that big platform nakapag-happy birthday ako sa kanya din.
Oo. Tsaka that was an oh moment, di ba? Father, oh my God.
Oo nga.
Kiss, kiss. May gumagano.
Narinig ko nga.
You know, you said that this band was part of the Holy Trinity. And, what's it like seeing Wolf Mora just to your
Man,
left, man?
I don't know. Unbelievable, pare. It's well, kung ma-round up ko in one word itong mga nangyayari, it's really unbelievable for me. Parang I just take it as it comes.
Mm,
Hindi ko siya ano eh, hindi ko siya parang hindi ko ma-explain eh.
mm, mm.
Talagang unbelievable para sa akin. It's just I'm just full of gratefulness sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa akin dito sa work. Kasi nga yun nga coming from dati talagang pwestuhan ganyan. Yun, parang hindi ko alam paano ako napunta dito sa ano na to, sa scene na to.
We just have a few more questions, Marco.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure.
When we were doing the planning for the PR, one of it was the reveal of who was playing bass. And
Mm-mm,
the first thing on everyone's mind was Louis Talan. But,
mm-mm.
but people who really watch what's going on would have known it was you. One,
Yeah, yeah.
performed in
Mm-mm,
Pasti. Number two, you performed in Wolfgang 30.
mm-mm,
But Frey Zambrano, who's also your bandmate, told me, let's not do the reveal. We want to keep less pressure on him. Kasi pag
mm-mm,
masyado maingay yung nasa labas, baka ma-distract siya.
mm-mm.
Nakatulong ba yun? Wala masyadong outside noise?
Well, honestly, nung first time na nakita ko online na we will reveal the bassist on the day of the concert, lalo ako kinabahan.
Ganun ba?
Lalo ako na pressure kasi baka isipin nila si Jason Newsted yung magbe-bass or ano. So, lalo ako kinabahan. So,
Ganun.
pero hindi, as it went on, parang, oo nga, no, mas walang pressure. Pero, the first time na nakita ko yun, sabi ko, naku, ito na naman tayo. Parang, ano, lalong na-pressure kasi yun nga, baka isipin nga ng mga tao na kung sinong foreigner or kung sinong mabigat na bahista. Eh, ako lang pala yun.
Well,
So,
parang you more than held your own. No?
thank you.
Nung araw na yun, may dagdag ko lang na kwento. No? Some fans saw you walking outside New Frontier. So,
Mm.
oh, it's gonna be Marco Cuneta on bass. And they were
Oh,
running up to me. Sir Rick, you have to tell us. It's Marco Cuneta. Like, sorry, guys. He's part of Bassi's band. So he's here to watch.
oo.
And then
Ano?
nasama ng loob din. Ayoko.
Ang dami nga din nagtatanong sa akin, sabi ko, hindi ko alam. Tingnan nyo na lang yung mga comments dun sa ano, di ba? Ang daming
Grabe,
comments kung
no?
sino
Oo.
magbe-base.
Oh, tama, tama, tama. Okay. Obviously, let's not spoil the party for others. We know that
Mm.
there's the stuff going on. But the last question would be, um, anong anong sinabi ng wife mo sa'yo after the show?
Ng wife ko,
Oh, I'm sure it's
congratulations. Lahat. Di, ano, masayang masaya. Masayang masaya siya para sa akin.
nakatulog ka ba?
Ah, ano eh, parang late na ako nakatulog nun eh. Tapos late na rin ako gumising the next day. Talagang ano eh, yung adrenaline nandun
Grabe,
eh.
no?
Oo. Grabe talaga. Iba yung on that big platform. Iba yung pakiramdam.
Another reason I'm also happy for you. I'm also happy for the band because I think at the biggest stage they performed it was Music Museum for Acoustica.
Mm-mm.
But whenever I haven't seen them to be honest since 1996 after Seminole because I went abroad.
Mm-mm.
But I was able to get all the CDs to my brother. So like you, it's the first time also, and in a long, long time. Of course, I've seen Basti perform.
Mm,
I've seen Manuel with Razorback. So,
mm.
but still, pare, the joy of seeing you guys. No? And nakikita mo how much the band means to the fans and the people.
Yes,
Iba, no? Grabe.
iba. Oo, iba talaga. Iba talaga. Grabe.
Talagang unang pagtapak pa lang ng stage, di ba? Seeing Basti with that long hair, that's so good.
Yung wig niya.
Yung wig, di ba? Yung pinatawag na ako sa dressing room niya, nakita ko. So I go, oh, okay, I get it. I get it. I know where that's coming from. And,
Oo.
di ba? Well, so I'm happy for everyone because the band truly, truly deserves it. This success. And sabi ko nga kay Basi sa dressing room, pare, is this the second act in Wolfgang's life? Diba? Technically, it's the third because before there was Francis Aquino and
Yes.
uh, the correct term would be third act, actually. So sabi na, yeah, man. Then I was so overly excited. Sabi niya, pare, you're going to jinx us. Jinx, do you believe that? Sabi ko, that's hard work. Di ba?
Oo.
So, okay, last thing. Um, Pare, do you have anything to tell the fans who'll be watching this video also? Because they've been wanting to hear from you, to be honest. They've been
Yeah,
bugging.
yeah.
Sir Rick, si Sir Marco,
Mm.
interviewin mo, labas ka ng art. Anong gusto mo? Chismis? Hindi ako chismis writer, sabi ko.
Blind item.
Anything you want to say to the fans who'll be
But
watching?
sana nag-enjoy kayo nung sa New Frontier, and thank you. Yun nga, I'll try my best to fill Mon's shoes kasi idol ko din yan si Mon.
Hmm.
I'll try my best para sumaya din kayo, yung mga fans ng Wolfgang.
Yeah. On that note, we're
Yun.
going to have to cut in because we don't want to do any more revelations. Abang na lang ang next.
Meron pa ba? Ano ba na revelation?
Wala, kakain tayo, inom tayo.
Ayun. Okay. Okay,
Sige.
Rick. Thank you so much, Rick. Thank you so much.
Hold on, I'll pause this.